conference was officially opened with an address from the National Spiritual Assembly.
Baha'is have a belief that the originating source of all the manifold arts is the creative energies released through the power of divine inspiration. These animating energies, stirring within us, give birth to the means whereby the arts can be produced and perfected. When the light of this divine inspiration is reflected in the mirrors of the hearts of artists, new and unique arts are unfolded. We believe this conference, small though it may be in scope, has wide implications for the blossoming of the arts and spirituality in New Zealand in the future. The arts assist us to touch the human spirit and are an important means to communicate with the soul. We hope this conference allows us all an opportunity to sense this connection and experience it at a new and deeper level. May your participation here be fulfilling and happy.